Hi everyone, it's Maggie, and I want to share with you my second DT project for the month of June for Craft Supplies for You. And this is it. I altered a hoop and I made it into a pocket in the back to put some goodies in. And let me show you what I did. I used the inside of the hoop as the front, and I love this little image, so I wanted to use her. And I started with, there was a doily already in the hoop, and someone had sent it to me, and so you can't see much of it, but this is it right here. And so I put another large doily on top of that for some structure. And then I put some batting behind the image, and she's on fabric. And then the next thing I did was I added some dangles. And I think the top ones, these are from my stash. I had green tea dyed them. And then this is a Craft Supply for You embroidery trim, and I had regular tea dyed that. And then let's see, this bow type of applique here, and this bow type of applique here is new from Craft Supplies for You, and I added the acrylic rhinestone flower there, and one of my little rhinestone buttons, which Julie will be carrying in the store soon. And then I used some different flower appliques on the side here with a larger rhinestone button that I think she'll also be carrying soon. And let's see, these flowers here with the pearls are from Craft Supplies for You, and this piece here is from my stash, which I also tea dyed. I tea dyed mostly everything, except this dangle piece here, which is one of those flower applique dangles. This is new in Craft Supplies for You. I got it in my DT package. I added my little pink clay flowers. And then this is a trim, a wide trim that I just cut 2 flowers from and put those on top, and then added one of my pearl and rhinestone buttons to that. Now this here is also a rolled rose trim, and I tea dyed that. And let's see what else. This green flower and leaf trim is from my stash, and I added the little pearls to it. The pearls going around the top of the hoop are from Craft Supplies for You. They're it's like a flower pearl trim. And then this large pin is brand new, and I thought it looked kind of like a sunburst. And I wanted to keep it as a pin in case if I do give this to someone, they can take the pin off. So I put the pin on a piece of seam binding, and then I added more seam binding for the hanger. And then on the side, this is a trim from my stash that I just went around. And then on the back, I added a crocheted, and I guess, I'm not sure what type of doily you'd call this, but then it has the ribbon flowers on there. And then this piece here that I used for the pocket is also new from Craft Supplies for You. I just cut it, to fit. And then this taupe trim is also new. These were all in my DT package for this month. And then I used more of my green trim there with the little pearl flowers. I just thought the colors matched in with that that other embroidered doily. And that's all I did. I don't think I left anything out. So anyway, that's I can't get it all in one frame, but let me put it this way a little bit. So that's it. That's my altered hoop in my second DT project. And as always, the links to the two stores will be in the description box. And just a reminder that all flowers in the stores are 40% off. They've already been marked in the pricing, so you don't have to do anything. You don't need a coupon code or anything like that. And it includes all types of flowers from the store: fabric, paper, parchment, all of them. So that's it. If you'd like, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think, and I will be back again soon. I'm behind on a couple of videos. I have to video more entries to my challenge, and I need to do a video on the prize I just finished for whoever wins the paper image part of my challenge. So thanks for watching, everyone. I will be back again soon. Bye for now.